All right, this is another short Python lesson for beginners. In our last video, we discussed using variables, what variables are, and assigning their values to variables. In this video, we're just going to discuss some rules about naming variables. So we're going to start our Python shell. And let's just assign a variable, x equals 9. Well, that worked great. Y equals 10. Well, that worked. Now, variable names in Python can be letters, digits, underscores, but they can't begin with a digit. And they are case sensitive. So if I output an X, I see 9. If I output capital X, I get an error. Name capital X is not defined, right? A name error is telling us that, I don't know, we're trying to get a value named X, right? So Python's going to go look for the X and say, okay, let me find the value of X in memory. You know, what did we last store or assign to X? And when it doesn't find it, it's going to throw its hands up and tell you, hey, I don't know, programmer. You asked me for an X. There's no X to find. Then it tries to be a little smart and says, hey, did you mean lowercase x? And actually, we might have, and that one works, right? Underscore x equals 10. See, underscore x and x are different. They're different names. Let's try 5 underscore x equals 5. We can't do that. You can't start a variable name with a number. And yeah, and variables tend to be lowercase and oftentimes separated with an underscore if we're using multiple words, like my variable equals 6. And that concludes this short lesson.